Hello everyone, we are Team 2 of the RWS project and we would like to present to you our dashboard. In broad terms, our dashboard covers the details and the growth of electric and hybrid vehicles in the Netherlands. This is to assist the RWS in rolling out new charging stations across the country. When we launch our dashboard, we start off under the General tab. These first two graphs display how many cars have been sold in the current month. As you can see, the information for these graphs is split up by brand and by model. In the third graph, we made a visualization of the average battery capacity per brand. This graph is based on the details of all existing car models per brand, and then calculating the average kilowatt hour, or kWh. Continuing on with the Growth tab, we started off with the most important chart, the amount of cars sold per month. In this line chart, a visual representation is made of the amount of cars each brand has sold that month. Next, we have a visualization for the total amount of cars sold per month for the past 2 years. This makes it easy to compare the state of cars being compared to last year. Next, we have a more in-depth chart where we can see the growth of the electric vehicles for the last few months. This gives a good overview in which date the amount of electric vehicles is increased. As the product owner of this dashboard also wanted a good insight in the average fast charge speed, we made a visualization for it, as can be seen here. This gives the average fast charge speed for the last 6 months in kilometers per hour. To have a better insight in which car manufacturer is the leading seller of electric vehicles, we included a bar chart, as you can see here, which displays the market leader for each month. Finally, the last graph shows off the average electric hybrid vehicle price per month. This is accomplished by taking the number of all cars sold that month and taking the average of their prices. Finally, under the Distribution tab, we put an emphasis on splitting the data between electric and hybrid vehicles. Take this pie chart, for example. You get an immediate impression of the split of the total amount of electric and hybrid vehicles out on the road this year. For our second and final graph, we go into a bit more detail as to how many electric and hybrid cars are added per month. The growth between the two types of cars can then be clearly tracked across the span of a year. This wraps up our video about our dashboard. Thank you very much for your attention. If you have any questions, please send us an email at the email displayed on the screen right now.